Hey guys, it's the Gamer55 here, and I'm making a new video. This video is, as I said in the last video, as I said on Friday. Now I'm filming it. Oh, sorry. Now I'm filming it on Friday. So, as I said, guys, now I'm gonna announce the winners of the giveaway, as you can see by the title. So yeah, I decided to change something to have two giveaway winners, not instead of three, because we got only 3 comments. So yeah, I decided to decrease the number of winners, so it will be like, a little bit like more random. Yeah, and so there will be 2 winners who will get 5 subscribers to the YouTube channel. Sorry that not 3, but I didn't get a lot of comments. I got only 3 comments from the people. And now I'm in a website called Mini Web Tool. Check it out. So basically, Mini Web Tool, there's like a thing that you can have a random name picker. For example, I type 3 names, like random names, and then as you guys see these names, and then press the button, pick a random name, then it just randomly picks a name from this list. So this is what I'm gonna do with the people who commented I'm in and who subscribed to my channel. I checked that they subscribed to my channel, for Farouz55 and Sergey Gamer55, and they liked the videos. So yeah, I appreciate that, who subscribed and stuff. Thank you guys for all of your support. Yeah, and so now I'm gonna type in the 3 people and we'll have 2 winners. So I remember their names. First one, I'll just type, starting from randomly. First will be Sergey. Yeah, this is the first guy, who I think so he was actually the first one to comment down from all of the 3 comments. So yeah, thanks for a lot for commenting. Going with number 2, it is this guy, and then he was also another guy who commented down I'm in, so thanks for him, I really appreciate that. Then we have last Farouz 55. Yeah. So guys, as you know, like the last comment, Farouz55 actually really did I'm in. He wrote in the comment, like, don't judge me that I wrote him here, because he was the one who actually subscribed to my channel a long time ago. He cannot actually subscribe to his channel because I said I need to subscribe to Farouz55. So he subscribed to my channel, to Sergey Gamer55. He liked all of my videos, all of his videos, and he wrote amen, so I cannot just leave him. So yeah, sorry for that. If you feel like, then you will say it's unfair and stuff like that, but yeah. So now I'm gonna pick a random name. So wait, starting 1, 2, 3. The winner in the second place winner is this guy. Congrats, Nur Sultan. Congrats to him. He won 5 subscribers. Congratulations. He is the second guy who won 5 subscribers. Then now the main guy who will the main guy who will get first place, it's gonna be either Sergey or Farouz55. So going in a random name, and it is it is Sergey. Thank you, Sergey. So congratulations, you won, and thank you for participating here. I'm just gonna move this out. So thank you for participating here. So yeah, unfortunately Farouz55 didn't have a chance to win, but sorry Farouz, but what's the name? Farouz55, sorry for that. But it's a game, it's a giveaway, so everything was fair. I didn't choose it randomly, so Farouz55, don't be like sad or mad at me that you lost. It happens. It's just like a game thingy. So yeah, congratulations to the winner, Sergey, and congratulations to Nur Sultan. They both are gonna get 5 subscribers to their YouTube channel, as I said. So yeah, Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for participating, who participated, who liked the video, and we'll stay tuned for new videos. I'll see you all later. Bye.